Hey guys, what is up? Got two mirrors done, put back together. Uh, yeah, there's not a ton to it, but you gotta strip the bag off. It's double taped or double bagged. Then you gotta take all this off. Then you gotta bolt it back on with three nuts. And then this holds the little wiring harness down inside here. I'll show you right there. And then you put the foam back on. Got the door back together. All cleaned up. I just got to do the glass. I'm going to put one of the mirrors on. Got this back together. One step at a time, man. You know, I didn't do the maroon. This door was maroon. But I did do the skirt down here. I mean, it's better than nothing. At least that's not all showing. It's just too much to do all that without getting shit on it. I don't want shit all over this seal. So it is what it is. We're going to go from there. Yeah. I put a new bulb in the light down there. There was no bulb at all. Speaker works. I tested it. Although this one was dry rotted. I did E6000 it. So it's not, there's no holes in it anymore. And this shit's so rubbery. It's going to be fine if you want to reuse it. So that's done. I got one mirror to go. And we're good. I don't know if I showed this, but I got this new flux paste. Comes with a syringe. Oh, it's pretty decent. I'll tell you how that works out. It's all Chinese, so I don't know what it says. Here's these plugs, USB-C, USB. That's if it's USB and you want to change it to C. So it's C to USB. USB, is it USB? Micro USB. Micro USB to C. This is C to micro USB. It's the opposite. This one is C to USB. This one's USB to C. So it's just all little odds and ends. Need no more primer. Put this away. Yeah, that's just cleaning up time. I was thinking about hanging these banners. Hanging these banners up. The boy didn't want them. It's like Juice World and shit. I was going to do the whole ceiling. Do like one here, one there, or maybe one here. But they're huge banners. What are they? I forget what they're called. They're really cool though. Some stars. It's like Lucid Dreams is one. One's just like a Hawaiian look. I think it's Hawaiian. Yeah, I don't know. There's three of them. As you know, there's more than three. There's another one. Another one there. Like a palm tree or something. Yeah. And then I gotta get through all these wires. Put these laptops down there for parts. I think I have 4 of them now. And that's it, man. Get shit cleaned up. And I'll talk to you in a little bit. Oh, and I got this soldering paste. We'll see how this works. Smooth welding, bud free, antioxidant. But yeah, we'll try that out because there's my flux. It's pretty crappy. If this shit works better, we're probably just going to switch it out. And we got this. Put this shit in the drawer. Alright, man. I'm going to go. Peace.